This is a video showing how to fix the Wondareed when it has stopped making noises or has difficulty making sounds. To make it easier to see, the reed is stained red. First, lift the small steel plate and blow out the moisture that is in between the reed and the steel plate. Repeat this a few times and you should be able to make sounds. If this method doesn't work, place the edge of a handkerchief or tissue between the reed and the steel plate. Repeat this a few times to remove the moisture. Similarly, place the handkerchief under the reed as well. By doing so, you would be able to start making sounds with the Wondareed once again.